Are we going to learn something today?
Alright, okay, let's make a deal. If I teach you something, will you get out of here, please?
Mm-hmm. Really? That's my name?
Yes, yay, it's your name.
Wow. Can you teach me more? Please? Me next. I want to write my name.
Too, I want to write my name.
Teach me.
Too, I want to write my name.
What happened here? How did you pay for this? Your savings?
Well, not all of it. Actually, yeah, all of it. But check it out. I think it looks pretty good.
What about starting far, far away from here?